Good morning, this is Ryan Littlestone from forexflow.live. Today we're going to talk about the Aussie dollar once again, and a pair I've been talking about quite often recently because we've got some great trading opportunity here because it's stuck in a very tight range between sort of 77 and 78. And now last week we had a little test up towards that 78 area. Didn't get quite as high as that topper level there. We can see with the red line sort of 77, 90, 78, 78.15. And then we've had it all the way back down again in towards a month end last week. Got all the way down to the lower bound, which was a 77, 76.90. So we're getting this good trading range here, which is providing us great opportunities for trading and banking those pips. And we're coming through a hell of a lot of noise without actually doing anything. You know, we've got the dollar side, the US dollar side, the Fed, everything that's going on there, jobs, economy, yield moves there. On the other side, we've just come through another RBA meeting, which was pretty much a non-event, but still we stay in this range. So it doesn't matter what news we're getting, we're just stuck here. Now, unfortunately, part and parcel of trading is that you can have the greatest setups in the world, but you can still mess it up. And that's what I did last week, because I bought this into this low area down at 77s down to 76.85, and then got flipped out at 76.80 in amongst the month end stuff there. Flipped out by 3 pips. And as you can see, we ran it all the way back up towards 77.60 today or last night. So as I say, you can have the best trading setups in the world and have as much experience as I've got, and you can still mess it up getting kicked out for 3 pips. But we get back on the saddle and we carry on looking at the ranges. I had to wait quite a long time to get the setup here and to get down to that level. So again, I'm in wait and see mode. I'm not really interested in trading this in the middle. We've got this sort of semi-pivot area here, a zone to watch. If we get above sort of 50.60 then and stay there, then it acts as a pivot. Below it's sort of 50.40. So a bit of an area in the middle that makes it a bit messy. So still wait for these edges, trade these edges. Well, what I'm looking at the downside now is whether I just need to adjust the levels that are important. And I've marked that on the chart here, the 4-hour chart, where we can see that the prior low down to sort of that 75 area was based on Janet Yellen when she came out and said that the Fed may need to raise rates sooner rather than later. That was a quick comment that got brushed aside afterwards, but it caused the market to hit that sort of 76, 75 area, which has also been a prior support and resistance area going back. And the fact that last week we came through the 76.90, came through 80 even, but held up just around that level, now gets me thinking, do I need to just adjust the chart a little bit, make that the more important level rather than the 76.90 above? And that's what we need to do when we're chart watching the prices, the price action, seeing how it reacts on these levels, seeing whether something is developing a bit more than the other. So again, that's something I'm going to look at now, and certainly I'm going to, if I do trade the lower end now, I'm going to bear that in mind and maybe put my stops there under. And again, we've got a little level just below it around the 76, 65, 66 area, which again has been something that's played a part in this price action. So again, it's something that comes into my mind as to whether I need to look at it, see what's going on there. So as I say, trading this one's pretty simple unless you muck it up like me, but the levels are there, the ranges are there, and as long as they hold, they're there to trade. As always, I wish you luck with this week.